I don't think I have to convince you that data-driven decision-making is the way to keep your process and costs in control. What I think is more important is to talk about what makes data-driven decision-making so tough to maintain. We've all seen the standard management loop: sample, analyze, interpret, act, and then repeat. If your goal or outcome is to optimize a process, then you have to know what the lead control variables are that impact the results you are after. You've got to know what are the key performance indicators that truly matter. So the sample step needs to know what to sample, how to sample it so that it's representative, and how often do you need to collect that sample. For example, if you're not sampling often enough, you could completely miss how this KPI impacts the results you are chasing. What's important in the analysis step is to ensure accuracy, repeatability, and appropriateness of the test. It doesn't make sense to throw $1,000 in analysis at a $100 problem. When you're looking to optimize a process, there are typically dozens of KPIs that come into play. Effective interpretation, therefore, requires tools to be able to assess the multi-variables, as well as having the expertise to know how the various KPIs interact with one another. Following the interpretation step, it's all about timely corrective action and making the adjustments necessary to balance both cost and performance. The accuracy and execution of this corrective action needs to be recorded as well, since its effectiveness becomes a critical piece of data the next time your management loop repeats itself. Diligently following these steps day after day is tough. It requires robust systems, specialized expertise, and focused execution. Where most plants have these systems well established for their core process, it's the non-core processes that indirectly impact both profitability and productivity that facilities just don't have the time or resources necessary to manage and optimize on their own.